Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming rules. Check Epic Games' terms and accessibility guidelines because responsible use matters. Once done, set up only permitted tools, built-in keybind remapping or official accessibility software, so you avoid automating core gameplay. Make sure to restrict macros to helper tasks like quick chat phrases, HUD toggles, or controller dead zone adjustments, and not to actions that would press multiple gameplay inputs automatically. This keeps your account safe and preserves fair play for everyone. You now build the macro using approved software. Pick the official remapper or an accessibility app that Epic recognizes. Once selected, record a single-purpose macro, one chat line or a menu navigation sequence, so you're not automating aiming, building, or firing. After recording, adjust timing and delays. Make sure the macro acts like a manual shortcut rather than a multi-action script. Finally, test in creative or offline modes to observe behavior and ensure it never triggers unintended gameplay inputs. You finish by enabling the macro only when it serves accessibility or non-competitive functions. Do not use it in ranked or competitive matches. Once active, monitor its effect closely. Make sure it doesn't conflict with latency, key rollover, or in-game anti-cheat triggers. If anything behaves oddly, disable it and inspect your software logs and timing settings. Troubleshooting tip: if Epic flags the macro, disable it immediately and review your configuration. Then contact support to resolve any account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.